In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Data Studio report public. Google Data Studio is now called Looker Studio, but the process is the same. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Data Studio or Looker Studio. Click through to the official Looker Studio site. This takes you to your home dashboard where your reports live. You'll typically be logged in automatically with your Google account. If you're prompted, sign in with the account that owns or has access to the report you want to share. It's a good idea to double-check you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple Google profiles, so you don't accidentally share the wrong report. From your list of reports, browse to the one you want to make public and open it. Give the report a moment to load all charts and data. Some reports will immediately show an Add Data to Report panel. If you see that, look through the available connectors and select LinkedIn Ads. This step makes sure your report has the LinkedIn Ads data source connected, which is common for marketing dashboards. If your report already has its data connected, you can simply proceed. Now look to the top right corner of the report editor. Click the Share button. Depending on your interface, this might look like a person icon with a plus sign. This opens the sharing dialog where all your access controls live. In the sharing dialog, find the link settings section. There's a drop-down that usually defaults to restricted. Click that drop-down to view your link visibility options. You'll see restricted, which limits access to specific people you invite. Unlisted, which lets anyone with the link view but keeps it out of search. And public, which makes the report viewable by anyone and discoverable in search. Choose Public to make the report openly accessible. Before you finalize this, think carefully about the data shown. Public means anyone can view it, so make sure the report doesn't include private, sensitive, or client-identifying information. If you only want to share with a broad group without search visibility, consider using Unlisted instead. After selecting Public, click the Save or Done button to apply your new sharing permissions. Give the dialog a second to confirm the change. As a quick sanity check, you can copy the report link and open it in a private or incognito window to confirm it's visible without signing in. That's it. You opened Looker Studio, selected your report, connected the LinkedIn Ads data source if prompted, adjusted link settings, chose Public, and saved. You're ready to share your report with the world.